The gas meter calibration workshop must meet certain environmental requirements before calibration can be carried out. Verification environment. 1. Verification temperature, 202 degrees centigrade. 2. Atmospheric pressure, 86 to 106 kilopascals. 3. Relative humidity, 45 to 75%. 4. The gas meter should generally be placed under the calibration environment conditions. For more than 4 hours, allow it to stabilize to the temperature of the calibration environment before calibration. Five. During the calibration process, the temperature difference between the standard device and the gas meter, including room temperature, standard device, liquid temperature, and calibration, medium temperature, should not exceed 1 degree centigrade. 6. The calibration medium is generally air. 7. The calibration pressure must not exceed the maximum working pressure of the gas meter, and the calibration system must not leak.